Baler Aurora ay kabilang pa rin sa mga probinsyang mayaman sa likas yaman, mapakabundukan at karagatan man. Kung ating mapapansin, ang kabundukan dito ay hitik pa rin sa mga punong kahoy at ang karagatan ay relatibong marami pa ring isdang nahuhuli kaysa sa ibang lugar. Pero sa malalim na pagsusuri, ang likas yamang ito ay mapapansin din nating unti-unti na silang nasisira sa nakakaalarmang sitwasyon. Sa kasalukuyan, madalas nang maririnig natin ang alingaungaw ng mga chainsaw na walang habas na pagputol ng mga punong kahoy sa ating kagubatan, na siya ring nagdudulot ng landslide dahil nawawala na ang natural na ugat ng puno na siyang naghahawak sa lupa. Matinding pagbabaw ng ating kailugan, dagat at sanhi din kung bakit nagkakamatay ang mga gasang o bahura. Sa usapin naman ng karagatan ng Baler, na ayon sa nakakausap naming mga mangingisda, ay paliit na ng paliit ang kanilang nahuhuli. Sa kanilang obserbasyon, ito ay dahilan sa mga illegal na palakaya, gaya ng mga sumusunod: galadgad o troll fishing, paggamit ng lason o cyanide fishing, pagdidinamita o dynamite fishing. Marahil ito ay bunsod na rin ng kahirapan at kawalan ng sapat na kaalaman kung ano ang mangyayari sa kanilang buhay kung magpatuloy ang mga illegal na gawain ito.
Buhay na Tubig is a fruit of the friendship between the Philippines and Spain. As such, it was born out of the initiative of the Honorable Senator Edgardo J. Angara of the Aurora State College of Technology, Fundeso, a Spanish development organization, and the Spanish Cooperation Agency. I'd like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to Senator Angara for supporting this noble project, and to the Spanish government for extending the needed fund to carry on the objectives of this work.
When I get to the bottom, I go back to the top of the slide. Where I stop and I turn and I go for a ride till I get to the bottom and I see you again.
I'm Julia Pezil Botay. Fundeso's coordinator. I'm a Brazilian living in Spain, and I'm coordinating the project, making the bridge between Fundeso and Ascot.
I'm Daniel Flores. I'm from Baler. I'm research assistant, and I'm captain of a boat.
I'm Darren Raimundo. I'm team leader for the Buhay na Tubig project. I'm from Manila.
Kumusta? Abuhay? Ako si Laura Bande. Galing ako, taga Manila ako. Training officer ako dito.
Hello, I'm Mark Nimzon. I'm from Leyte and I work as a researcher here in this project.
Ako si Jimmy Pagyo from Bataan. Ako yung community organizer in charge sa pagbubuo ng mga people's organization dito sa project ng Ascot Fundeso, Buhay na Tubig.
Ako si Rolly Antiga, taga Cavite, at tumatay yung community organizer ng Buhay na Tubig na proyekto. So, that's all.
Hi, I'm Vivian Gonzalez, training assistant of Buhay na Tubig.
Hello, my name is Martin Pezil Botay. I'm a photographer for Buhay na Tubig. I'm a German living in Spain. I'm a photographer, and that means normally I'm on the other side of the camera.
I'm Eusebio Villarangara, the program manager of the Ascot Fundeso project. It is my responsibility to coordinate with the various agencies for the successful implementation of this project.
I'm Noel Gusilatar from Baler, driver of Ascot Fundeso project.
My name is Pat Paladio. I drive the blue car. That's it.
I drive the white car.
And I drive the blue car. Alright!
Desarrollo sostenido means sustainable development. So that's what Fundeso does. We are executing projects for sustainable and integral development in the developing countries in Latin America, Africa and Asia. And that's also what this project here in the Philippines is about. Sustainabling pag-unlad, sustainable development. Something sustainable is something that you develop today and will be there tomorrow and will be there the day after, will be there in the future, basically. Because it got there by its own means, so nothing can take it away from that. And development is, it's easy. Development is evolving, going to a better place. So these two words together, sustainable development, they mean a journey to a better place, a journey that you've made with your own feet, so you can always remain in this place, nothing can take you away from that. The essence of this project is always to strengthen the civil society. That means to get the local communities and the local organizations to be the protagonists of development. This is the essence of this project that we're working, and it's the essence of all Fundeso's projects, and it's a belief that Fundeso, ASCOT and the IACI, as agencies that promote development, they share. So it's about the future and it's about independence.
Programa na Coastal Resource Management. Ibig sabihin mo ng Coastal Resource Management ay yung pangangalaga sa ating pangisdaan. Ibig sabihin po, yung dagat.